Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's content I am going to show you is one of my science subject, the reporting quantitative data. When we say quantitative data, this means it is the process of collecting and analyzing data. So by doing, we will follow certain steps to achieve a quantitative report data analysis. So step 1, explain why the report is being written in the introduction. Step 2, describe the method used in collecting the data report. Step 3, create presentation to show visual results. Step 4, write conclusion after evaluating the data. So, I am going to show you an example of how to do a report regarding quantitative data by using the paper essay that my teacher Mia Fay given to me. As per instruction, get a ruler and 2 different books, preferably one small book and one big book. Measure the length, width, and thickness of each book. List down all the measurements. Calculate the total volume of the 2 books. The formula in obtaining the volume is volume equals length times width times height. Share your solution in your video presentation. Represent your answer in scientific quotation. Run out of 3 significant digits only, and writing scientific quotation will follow C.mm times 10 E is for exponential. Let's head to my computer and let's start. So here we are at my screen reporting quantitative data. I'm going to show you how to solve scientific quotation, but first we need to find the volume of each book using this formula. So this is the formula, volume equals length times width times height. I have the blue book and pink book here to get the volume. I will measure each length, width, and height. So these are the measurements of the blue book. 12.7 centimeters, 1.7 centimeters, and 18.4 centimeters. Next, these are the pink book measurements. 15.9 centimeters, 1.1 centimeters, and 20.8 centimeters. Now we have each book volume. We can now figure out how to write its scientific notation. What is scientific notation? Well, as defined, scientific notation is a way of writing very large or very small numbers. A number is written in scientific notation when a number between 1 and 10 is multiplied by the power of 10. We will follow C.mm times 10E. C is the characteristic digit, M is the Mantesia digit, and is the number of times the characteristic and Mantesia digit is multiplied by 10. Let's find the volume of each book. So this is the equation of the blue book. We are going to follow this volume, which is length times width times height, and these are its measurements. So we're going to multiply 12.7 centimeters to 1.7 centimeters. So the results are 21.59 centimeters. After that, we're going to multiply 21.59 centimeters and 18.4 centimeters. So the results are 397.256 centimeters. Now that we're done solving this equation, we're going to do the same thing to the pink book. So we're still going to follow the same equation, which is length times width times height. So 15.9 centimeters multiplied by 1.1 centimeters equals 17.49 centimeters. After that, we're going to do the same to the blue book, which is multiply 17.49 centimeters to 20.8 centimeters. So the result is 363.792 centimeters. Now that we're done solving both of the books, which is blue book and pink book, this is the answer of the blue book earlier that we solved, which is 397.256. Over here, move the decimal point that's the decimal point. To the left, to create a number between 1 to 10, place the decimal point beside of the number 3. So we're going to move it 2 times. 1, 2. To know the exponent, simply count how many times we place the decimal point. So we move 2 times. The number we're going to put at the side of the number 10 is number 2. So now the scientific notation of the blue book is now 3.97 times 10 to the power of 2. This is the same step to the pink book. Reporting quantitative data analysis. Step 1. The objective of the report is to know a widely used floating point system in which numbers are expressed as product consisting of a number between 1 and 10 multiplied by an appropriate power of 10. The importance of its purpose to easily read, understand, and represent that are either very large or very small numbers. Showing the process on how to write scientific notation system. Step 2. The methods used are calculating the volume of each book and writing each volume result into scientific notation. Formula and calculation volume is volume equals length times width times height. The proforma in translating volume results into scientific notation is allows C.mm times 10 E is for exponential. Step 3. The table below shows measurements, volume, and scientific notation of each book. Step 4. Therefore, I conclude that by writing in scientific notation system, it makes either very large or very small numbers easily read and represented in my presentation. I was able to write the scientific notation of pink book and blue book in easy, simple steps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!